Hey there! Welcome to another video tutorial of Lambda Test. In this video, we will take a quick look at how you can perform real-time testing of your locally or privately hosted web applications using Underpass. Underpass is a secure desktop application that enables you to test your locally hosted or privately hosted website or web apps on 2000 plus browsers for both mobile and desktop without executing any command from your terminal. Let's see how. Now before getting started, make sure you have the Underpass app installed on your system. To learn about how to download and set up the Underpass app, refer to the Getting Started with Underpass video suggested on your screen. Once you have the Underpass downloaded and installed, you can launch it with just a click. There you go. A secure tunnel to Lambda Test cloud servers has been set up on your system. You will also notice that your dashboard reflects the same tunnel name that you chose earlier. Now to test your locally hosted or privately hosted websites or web apps on 2000 plus browsers, head to the real-time testing from your Lambda Test dashboard. Here, as you can see, the tunnel is automatically activated. Just enter the URL you want to test, select the desired desktop or mobile browser, browser version, OS and resolution combination, and hit Start. That's it! Your local website is now launched in the desired environment. You can now interact with your local website the way you want. Now you can capture screenshots, switch configurations, mark bugs, perform geolocation testing, and do much more. To learn more around real-time testing, you can refer to the playlist on the top right. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you with the testing of your locally or privately hosted website using Underpass. You can find its link by clicking on the Local Testing Support help icon in the real-time testing dashboard or from the description below. In case you have any questions or require further information, feel free to reach out to us via our 24/7 chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. Thanks for being with us so far. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with new features, integrations, and tutorials with the Lambda Test platform. Happy testing!